A former law student accused of murdering his mother has told a court it was her who had tried to kill him because he'd missed his daily piano practice. Wei Li today took the stand to claim he'd acted in self-defence, but the prosecution accused him of lying.
In a calm and measured account, Wei Li today gave chilling evidence of the day he bashed and strangled his own mother to death. The now 23-year-old told the jury his mother had become violent after he refused to do his piano practice and he'd killed her in self-defence. She came at me out of nowhere. It happened so fast, I think she wanted to kill me. I had to fight back. Li says he could never live up to the high expectations his mother set, and if he didn't perform well in his studies, she'd beat him. It got so bad she started beating me on a daily basis, even if I didn't get a straight A. This happened many times before, but this time there was something different about her. I knew she wanted to hurt me. The badly beaten body of Emma May Tian was discovered by a friend in the family's Burnside home in March 2011. She had more than 50 injuries. In the days after, the then 18-year-old fled to China and evaded police for 3 years. Today, the prosecutor attacked Li's inability to recall details of the struggle, including allegedly hitting his mother with a blood-stained metal bar found at the crime scene. During heated cross-examination, Li defended cleaning up his mother's blood, explaining he was worried he'd get in trouble for staining the marble floor. He also soaked the martial arts clothing he was wearing, not because he wanted to cover up the crime, he claimed, but because he wanted to preserve the expensive Japanese cotton.
And Kim Robertson is live at the Supreme Court. Kim, Wei Li is the only witness called in his own defence. What happens next in this trial?
Well, Kate, the prosecutor spent the entire afternoon grilling Wei Li, and that cross-examination still hasn't finished, so that will continue tomorrow morning. Then the Crown and Defence will sum up their cases before the judge gives her final directions to the jury, which will then retire to consider its verdict. Now, it will be up to them to decide whether they believe Wei Li's version of events, that he had no choice but to kill his mother to save himself, or whether they think this was something more sinister. Now, if found guilty of murder, Wei Li faces a minimum 20 years behind bars when he's sentenced, and no doubt police will be hoping to finally put an end to this sad and very challenging case.